Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW X5 grille. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and of course, your brand new BMW X5 grille. Make sure you are working in a well-lit area to ensure clear visibility and safety throughout the entire process. This preparation will make the replacement much smoother. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by carefully opening your BMW X5's hood to access the upper mounting points. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry open the top clips, releasing the grille's upper section. Next, unscrew any visible Torx screws that secure the grille. Finally, reach behind the grille to push inward and release the lower tabs, allowing the old grille to come free. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting points on your BMW X5's bumper. Push firmly on the top edge until all the clips audibly click into place, indicating a secure connection. Reinsert and tighten any Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, ensure the lower tabs are securely engaged for a snug and stable fit. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all the clips and screws to confirm they are securely fastened. Give the new grille a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly seated and stable, with no wobbling. Finally, clean the surrounding area to achieve a polished and professional look. Congratulations! You have successfully refreshed the appearance of your BMW X5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.